Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with designing our application, and this video is going to be about the contact. Okay, let's start as usual to creating our components. Contact with component, inheritance from with component, private read-only I contact service with our construction. Next will be the method IV component result, invoke async, return view. Alright, let's go to the entity. Let's see what kind of info we have. Location, email, call, map. Alright, I need all of them. Just copy. Yeah. Let's create a new class. Contact list for UI. Control RG, public, Control V. We have our entity now. Let's close them all. Let's go to service layer and auto mapper, contact mapper, Control D, contact list for UI. Auto mapper is done. Let's go to services, Control RG. Let's collapse all definitions. UI site methods, public task list, contact list for UI, get all list for UI. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, alright. Let's copy from the previous one. This is what we did as usual. For UI, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, service is done. Let's add our signature. Let's save it. Anything else? I think all done. Let's close the services. Mapper, component. Yeah, we are in the component. Var contact list. Await contact service dot get all list for UI. We forgot to add async. Okay, let's copy. Let's go to services. Always use the same pattern, your names, and so this is, oh sorry, well, in category there's contact, yeah, and your names must be explained what you're doing exactly. So this is the asynchron method. The method name must be the asynchron. Alright, let's save it. Perfect. Control C, Control V. We're done with the view component. Let's create our view section for our component folder. The name is contact add view empty and default. Let's delete it. Be done with this section. Let's copy this contact. Anything else here do we need? No, not here yet. Yeah, here. Let's add our model. Contact list for UI. Let's go to our view component. Sorry, view imports. Save it. We got our model in our hands now. Let's delete our sections. No, we got some. We have two sections, which is address, email, phone, and map. The other section is about sending message, but I'm not going to use the send message section in this project. Just delete it. And call LG5D flags. Nah, I'm gonna use, it's going to be 5 after large, right? I'm just gonna delete them all. Or how can we do that? Let's see with the 5 and we can change it later. Okay. Let's delete address. Oh, we have, so we have just one contact info, so I can use for each, for all of them. Let's add for each. Let's add all of them. Model. Location, this is going to be add item dot, is that location, right? Location. This is going to be add item dot email, add item dot call, it's the phone number, and this is going to be the map. Okay, let's find the mapping and map place. Let's go to maps. Let's type Westminster, London. Yep. So how we can get the location info? Yep. HTML copy. All right. Let's paste it. No. Control Z. Let's copy it down. Oops, sorry, I misclicked. HTML copy. Yeah, it's the same thing that we added. Yeah. Let's leave it like that. Anything else? Let's save it and see it. But before then, we need to add our component, which is contact. Let's see it now. Home index within browser. I'm waiting. Let's go to contact. Yeah. This is what I didn't like how it's look like. So I'm gonna make it much bigger. Alright. Let's try to implement in our project. This is LG5, right? Let's delete it first. Okay, let's view in browser again. Okay, this is 12. It's no problem. Let's make it smaller. How does it look like? But the problem is the map. The map isn't. I didn't like how it's look like. Let's see the map now. With 600, 450. Hmm. What if I didn't give any width and height? Let's see the original one. Yeah. Let's copy the original one. Let's copy. What happened, you made? Let's paste. Save it. Now have a look quickly. Just gave us a height and width is going to be changeable. Yeah, this is how it's look like. Perfect. And I can put them all next to each other and it will look much better, I guess. Okay, all right. Let's go back. Address. How can we put them to next to each other? Info. They have a class which is called info, and let me have a look my previous ones. For example, all team member is next to each other, right? So they have align item stretch. Align items. What we have here now? We have the align item stretch as well. We have in one row. Probably it's about definition of their specified classes guy. Alright. What if I put a column for all of them? Just one column. No. Must be the row. Let's add a row inside. And see what's look like. No, it's not working. It is not working. Alright, I'm gonna remove these things and I'm gonna leave it like that. How does it look like? And when it comes to the next lesson, probably we will do some refactoring and adjustments for all website, and I can have a look and search about how can I do these properties next to each other, and we can continue with the other lesson, guys. For now, it's already 40 minutes, and thank you for watching and take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye, guys.